All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dirk here, Dirk's Domain. So I just changed the oil on my wife's 2016 Honda Pilot, and I just wanted to do just a very quick video on resetting the oil meter or the maintenance minder for this particular vehicle. So to do that, you just put your foot on the brake, you click start, vehicle starts, your screen is going to load up. You're going to do everything from the screen. A lot of vehicles, it's push pedal, it's different methods, but for the 2016 Honda Pilot, you're just going to go click on home. First click OK when the vehicle comes on. So click on home. You're going to be brought to a menu here. Click on the settings, and from here click on vehicle, and then from here you'll see at the bottom there's something called maintenance info. Click on that. Engine oil, tire rotation, transmission oil. It's basically asking you, have you done all these things? I have not done all these things, but I changed the engine oil and checked the fluids. So I'm going to go ahead and reset it. And I did check the transmission fluid, brake fluid, etc. So just click reset here. And it says, would you like to reset maintenance information? And it's minus 430 miles, so I'm late finally getting to it. So yes, just click reset. And then it will reset, and the message on the screen will disappear. If you haven't, I have a door open right now, but if you have the, one second, yeah, it doesn't matter. If you hadn't changed it, there will be a warning out here that your maintenance is due. A little wrench looking icon saying maintenance is due. And once you change the oil and click that, go through the menu and reset it, you'll be fine. So anyway, this is Dirk signing out. A quick video on how to reset the maintenance info for the 2016 Honda Pilot. Thanks and have a great day. If you like the content, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks and take care.